Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. And this video, I'm going to show you. Everyone's home.
Eat it.
Like some people are not home. Like they're doing some errands. And other stuff. So let's go check out the weather, guys. I think it's the second or first time that it happens. That it happens to
See here, Tip.
a video.
I cannot see your teeth, mommy.
So it's been raining. And it's gonna rain inside. Mom, can we close the windows? It's raining it's gonna rain inside. Look, all Aaron's shoes are wet. Yes. Okay. You have to close everything. Everything's wet. Sorry about that. And even this one's annoying. I told
It's raining harder.
It's raining hard. Oh, make sure I don't trip and fall. Oh, why can't it close?
Hey, what happened to your tail?
Okay. So, make sure there's no trips. No chips. Okay. I don't want to stand up and jump because that won't be easy.
Hey, no. Kuya. Kuya. I'm gonna eat your guacamole and our sour cream, okay?
That's not mine, huh?
You want it?
No.
I'm gonna put your quesadilla here, okay?
Okay.
Touch it. About chips, you still want chips?
Half of it. It's been raining. It's still raining. My gosh. I could see the cars. Every car is raining except ours. No, I take that back. I take that back. Hi, it's our car is wet. Including our cars, is wet. Yeah. Like moist, this is all of my things that did raining. First one in 2012. 2013, 2014, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. Every some months they gotta rain. Dude. Okay, so okay. I know what I. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. I just want to tell you where I'm in our house. Like a lot of I'm just enjoying my life. Really, you're eating my favorite chocolate? Ew, you're eating the wrapper.
Eating the wrapper? What's the wrapper?
Okay, so
This is the iPhone 6, and this is the iPhone 6 Plus. They call it the thing called Health, so they can help you track a lot of stuff.
okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Video. Hope you like it. So yeah, and see you guys then. Bye bye.